In today's video, I'm going to teach you Asana demo, how to use Asana Workload Management feature 5 minutes. Workload in Asana helps you see who's overbooked, who has room, and how to balance your plan across projects. We'll walk through setting it up and using it to make smart resourcing decisions. Start by logging into Asana. From the left sidebar, open Portfolios. Choose the portfolio that groups the projects you want to monitor. If you don't have one yet, create a portfolio and add your relevant projects. Workload reads across the projects in a portfolio, so make sure the ones you care about are included. Inside the portfolio, switch to the Workload tab. This is your team timeline. Before you rely on it, open Options to tell Asana how to measure effort. The most flexible approach is to use custom fields in your projects to quantify task effort. For example, you might track story points or hours. Use a single, consistent field across all included projects so Workload can roll it up accurately. Also, make sure tasks have assignees and date ranges because Workload spreads effort across the scheduled days. If you'd rather keep it simple, click Effort and choose Estimated Time. That lets you enter time directly on tasks and have Workload total it automatically. Next, click Edit Capacity. Set each person's or the whole team's maximum capacity per day or per week. Match the unit to your effort measure. Part-time teammates can have lower capacities, and you can adjust values later as things change. Once capacity is set, Workload will flag overloads so you can spot problems fast. Now review the timeline. You'll see each team member's tasks laid out over time with totals for the selected period. Overages appear clearly, helping you decide what to move. To fix conflicts, drag and drop tasks to reschedule them, or drag a task to another person to reassign it. These changes update the underlying tasks in the projects, keeping everything in sync. When you need more context, click into a person's view. You'll get a detailed list of their upcoming tasks where you can adjust priorities, fine-tune dates, and confirm that the most important work stays on track. That's the core workflow. Choose the right portfolio, set effort and capacity, scan the timeline, and rebalance with quick drags. With a few minutes of setup, Workload turns scattered tasks into a clear plan and helps you protect your team from burnout while delivering on time.